So hello, this is Team 404 and our track is FamPay Track 2 and Finance. We are here with a project FinLearn. So FinLearn is basically a game or a financial platform for teenagers and researchers to learn how to invest and how to manage their budgets. Basically this is our homepage where we tell about what the app is about.
The tech stack used in our web app, we have used PHP for backend and SQL for database, and for frontend we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
Now moving on forward to
the registration page.
Yeah.
So since we already have a local database, we will not register and move on to the login page.
So in this login page, basically we can log in either by phone number or email address. Both of them are valid. So I'll log in with my phone number.
So now we have landed on our dashboard. This is basically a game in which you can make a virtual demat account, and with that virtual demat account you can buy and sell virtual shares. And here you are provided with a virtual fund of 10,000 rupees every month, and we have set this limit so that the teenagers and the youth can learn the value of money.
Now moving on forward towards the dashboard of the app. Basically the dashboard shows us the graphs of some top stocks that are available. The top bar also shows the same, and we got a search stock bar button. Basically we can search stocks to buy them off.
Moving on to the Learn tab, here we have embedded a YouTube playlist where you can learn about financial literacy. Now moving on to the News tab. So here we have real-time news about the stocks and some other finance news.
Moving on towards expense track. Basically in this expense track, the user can keep record of their monthly expense tracker by debit and credit system, and there's an add button to add the entries in the app. Now we will go back to our dashboard.
So now we are going to buy stocks of Apple.
So this all data we are seeing is updating on real time, but the data is currently not updating because the market is currently closed. So we'll buy some Apple Incorporate stocks here. I'll search for Apple and go for search button. So the page is loading.
So here you can see the page has loaded, and we have the real-time graph of Apple stocks along with the technical analysis. So though it is showing strong sell, but since we do not have any stocks, we are going to buy 5 Apple stocks.
Basically there is one problem here that we are going to face. Like there are the stocks is listed in the USD values because the Indian stock market is closed for the moment, and we are not getting any data, so we are buying Apple stocks at USD, but this glitch can be corrected later. So here we buy 5 stocks. We can see the balance has been updated, and the Apple Incorporated stocks have been debited to our account, and we can see the total amount invested and the current amount the current values of the asset and the total profit and loss. This all data gets updated in real time, but as we said, the market has been closed, so there is nothing as such to update right now. So now talking about the scalability and of the project, this project can also be used by researchers to learn how to invest properly in stocks. We can add on a feature to add funds other way around, that is manually, and then they can invest into funds and learn how to invest and analyze the data.
So for young users who are new to the stock market and are underage, when they get into real world trading, they can get in with a greater experience and confidence. And talking about the expansion of the web app, at later stages we could also add features for cryptocurrency and commodities. Thank you.